Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's another time, another good moment, and thank you for all supporting me. Supporting me growing this channel. Yeah, thumbs up, and I'll just have that word on for encouragement. Let's keep on commenting, sharing, and not forget subscribing. So my name is Brian. My names are Brian Masika Reaction. And if it is for a very first time come across or to be in my YouTube channel, welcome. So and for today's I would like us to see the reaction of these people. People are really echoing this Caribbean country, the famous Jamaican. What is this good about Jamaican? Yeah, I want us even as to watch what is this good about Jamaican. So remember to watch till the end, and I'll be back with more comments. Enjoy.
Marvel me how much impression Jamaica have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, is it? We love it too, yeah?
So I'm in Jamaica, and one of the things that I believe we need to talk about when it comes to Jamaica is how amazing it is. Because, yes, you can go to another country that has a great beach, sunshine, water, attentive staff, and good food. But you will not find the same vibe as Jamaica. And when we say vibe, vibe is a short word for vibration, which is another word synonymous to energy. The energy of Jamaica is powerful, uplifting. It takes you to a state of peace and optimism, fun, adventure, exploration. You end up radiating on your highest frequency. And the best way I can put it, and I really took a moment to think about it last night, is that Jamaica helps you to fall in love with yourself through, I don't know if it's the nature, the interactions with people, just the fun you have, the way you feel. Like there's just something here. There is something here that you end up glowing. You know, it also could be the fact that the food is organic. You ain't eating crap for a while, but it's all of the above. It's all of the above. And I will always tell people about how amazing my country is, because most people aren't aware of how deep it goes. They just see Jamaica and they have their nuanced ideas of what it is, but this place is special and powerful.
And I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the magical portal, the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, "Girl, you're going to Jamaica again?" And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, "Why do you love Jamaica so much?" And I'm like, "Girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, most, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go." And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, you know, but something about Jamaica just does it for me, you know? It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home, you know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know, it's everything. The views, the vibes, like it is just a good time, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be there again, and I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
The Jamaicans managed to open up a Jamaican restaurant in every single country in the world. So I have traveled to around 20 different countries, and what I still don't understand is how every single place I've visited, I've always met a Jamaican person who has married a local, has mixed Jamaican kids, and has opened up a Jamaican restaurant with the best Jamaican food in town, which is the only Jamaican restaurant in town. Like, I understand if you are a person of Chinese or Indian descent, because China and India literally incorporate around a third of the entire world's population, and because of colonization. But Jamaica is a tiny island from the Caribbean. So my question is, how did you even find this country to immigrate to, first of all? Again, if you really do not believe me, literally, wherever you are in the world, look up Jamaican restaurant in your country and you will find it.
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly, truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US. And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. Oh, you want to play dominoes with me? I remember one Halloween I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, when I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful, and just such an iconic place to vacation, and hopefully for me to live. I'm manifesting. This will be my home one day, and I will be the happiest, most blessed person alive.
So one of the things I've come to love about Jamaican culture is that, like, at first this was kind of hard, but I like it because you don't ever have to wonder where you stand with somebody that's Jamaican. Like, if they don't like you, you know. If they love you, you know. I think that's refreshing because, yeah, I mean, we want to be polite, and I get that. And there's a time definitely you want to be that way, but it's also cool because, you know, like, if somebody loves you or rocks with you, that it's like real, you know what I mean? It's not just polite. And so I think that's something that's really refreshing about Jamaica. So shout out for just keeping it real and leaving no room for questions, good and bad. Love y'all.
For those of you that flock to Miami in droves and think that this place is paradise, let me tell you, it is not. Yes, the sun is shining. Yes, you have options. Yes, there's a million things to do, and depending on where you're coming from, this can seem great. But the true paradise that I tell everyone you need to go to is Jamaica. Jamaica is true paradise. You have organic food, real food, delicious food. You can support someone on the side of the road, and I guarantee the food will be amazing. The produce will be amazing. You will eat things. I've had chicken in Jamaica that made me cry, okay? Cry. Tears. From chicken and bread on the side of the road, okay? You have waterfalls, beaches, Hills. Miami ain't got no hills, we flat. Views that will take your breath away. Water that you can see your foot when you step in the water. You see the fish, you see beauty. Okay? You have people that will make you laugh hysterically just by being themselves day to day. You come to Miami, ain't nobody talking to you. They don't see you. Most likely they don't even speak English. And I love my Spanish people, but some of y'all racist. Next, Jamaica has this air of excitement and just, you could be at the grocery store, you could be in line. There's just this energy because the culture in Jamaica is so rich. Miami, because there's so many different people here, everybody just sticks to their own. There's no inclusion, there's no mixing. If anything, they're just gonna ignore your ass. They're not friendly, they're not warm, they're not open. They just be like, what do you want? Okay? I'm not saying Jamaica's perfect and I'm not saying Miami's hell, but I'm saying if you can make a decision on which one you want to go to and you're looking for paradise, you're looking for fun, you're looking for a time, you're looking to support an economy that will very much appreciate your dollar, go to Jamaica and enjoy yourself fully. You can get an Airbnb that will come with a chef who will cook you breakfast, lunch, and dinner from scratch, baby. You can go stay up in the mountains. You can stay up in the hills. You could get a boat. You could live life and connect with a spiritual level, a country that will blow your mind. Guaranteed. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is from someone who has been in Miami from I was 4 years old. I'm now 32. A long time. Okay? And I have been to Jamaica more times than I can count, and I can never get enough. I'm putting you on. And thank me later.
Jamaica has become the big headlines of the talk of the town. Speaking of headlines, yeah, everyone is just feeling like it's supposed to be in Jamaica. So what's good about there? What's popping there? Jamaica people, Wagwan, what's there? Let us know what is good about you. But for those who've been there, or for those who are there, they're just saying, life there is wonderful. Life there, it is just on another level. So let us know, even as we want to join. Personally, I would like to visit Jamaica. Remember, this is the second time I'm doing a video, people praising Jamaica. So it has come just to my attention that I love to be there. I've not been there, but I've just fallen in love with this country, Jamaica. And anyone willing to support me go to Jamaica, I'll come. The feedback we are getting, or the response we are getting from Jamaica, it's just awesome. Yeah, I heard there's the street food is so nice. From chicken, fish, fresh fish from the lake. Yeah. So it is up to me now. I'll just have to visit you guys. You guys, you are giving me those cravings of coming. I'll come. I'll visit Jamaica. Yeah, God willing. I know you Jamaica are good people, because someone cannot just praise you for nothing. Yeah, the hospitality there, it's good. You are good people, welcoming people. You are the mother of the Caribbean. Yeah. Eventually, right now, everybody, you are the talk of the world. Yeah. So I will personally, when given a chance, I'll visit this country, this famous country known as Jamaica, and I love to see those mountains, those hills, beach. Yeah, I'll come as a tourist. So it is clearly said that if you want to invest or if you want the peace of mind, kindly see yourself in, book your flight and let the flight land in Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah. So Jamaica, I think your name is being praised and it is not praised for nothing. Yeah, it is. Yeah. When you see 1, 2, or 3 people talking about your kindness and your goodness, eventually your country is good. So we will come. Another thing is that I think the culture is so nice. There are people welcoming. There are people with good heart. Again, yeah, you see the modern life we live in. Yeah, for a person who is traveling, yeah, there are so many Airbnbs there, and the Airbnbs are so comfortable. They are modern Airbnbs. So you feel at home, you are at home, you are at peace. Yeah. So the big question is, why Jamaica? So whoever is watching, or whoever has been there, or whoever is there, kindly, we want you to share your experience there. What's popping there? Yeah, we want to know what's popping there. What's going on? So some of us, we can join you. Yeah, yeah. Whenever there's some good and some goodies, you have to share it with your friends, with your family. So let us let us just know. Some of us, we know Jamaica due to their music, the famous music, the dancehall one. Yeah, we know Jamaica, the famous Jamaica due to the reason artists or musician who came out of who just came out of jail, out of prison. Yeah, the famous Vibes Cartel. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Vibes Cartel. Yeah, I like listening to Vibes Cartel. I don't, I don't listen to Vibes Cartel only, but Jamaica has been just one of the biggest producer of artists. Yeah, the famous artist. So as we grew up, we knew the likes of Richie Spice, yeah, the famous reggae one. Yeah, you see, their music was being listened even by our ancestors. So it is something undeniable, and then undeniable that you can't just hate Jamaica. Yeah, you just be, that's the biggest problem you can do is hating Jamaica. So Jamaica, when given a chance, I'll come and I'll be there. Yeah, one day, one time. Hopefully, God willing, I'll come. You people, I must visit you. So let me know your reaction, and let me know what you think about the video, because lately this is the second video I'm doing speaking about Jamaica. And Jamaica has just become like my second homeland. Remember, Jamaica doesn't have those racists. Jamaica welcomes everybody. Yeah, yeah. So if for a holiday, if you think of a holiday, Jamaica is a place to be. So whatever I can just say, it is thanks, guys. Thanks, every viewer. Remember, keep on watching, subscribe, comment, share, and let's build each other. We are one family. Through this, we're going far. And God bless. One love. Wagwan.